Hi, let us study now multiplication of signed numbers. In multiplication of signed numbers, if two numbers having the same sign or like signs, the answer will be positive. If two numbers have different signs or unlike signs, the answer will be negative. Okay, bear that in mind. Now we have here negative 4 times negative 2. They are both negative, like signs. Therefore, the answer is positive. And then multiply. 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is positive 8. Okay? Negative 3 times negative 5. They are both negative. Like signs is positive. Therefore, the answer must be positive. And then multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? Now we have negative 6 times positive 2. Unlike signs. So the answer will be negative. Negative 6 times 2 is 12. Okay? 5 times 3. They are both positive. So the answer will be positive. Okay, 5 times 3 is 15. Now we have negative 1 times positive 2. Different signs. Unlike signs, the answer is negative. 1 times 2 is 2. 8 times negative 2. 8 is positive and 2 is negative. Unlike signs, the answer will be negative 16. I hope you got it. Thank you. Let us continue with multiplication of signed numbers. Like signs, the answer is positive. Unlike signs, the answer is negative. Now we have here negative 3 times negative 2. X indicates multiplication. Okay? Negative 3 times negative 2, they have the same sign. The answer will be positive 6. We have here negative 4 times positive 3. 3 is positive, 4 is negative. Unlike signs. Then, negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. 5 times negative 1, parenthesis, also indicates multiplication. Okay? 5 is positive and 1 is negative, unlike signs. Therefore, the answer will be negative 5. Okay? Negative 2 times positive 4, unlike signs. Therefore, the answer will be negative 8. Then we have here negative 1 times negative 3. That also indicates multiplication. So, they are both negative. The answer will be positive 3. Negative 6 times positive 4. Unlike signs, then the answer will be negative 24. 8 times 2. They are both positive, then the answer will be positive 16. Negative 1/2 times positive 1/3. Unlike signs, the answer is negative. 1 times 1 is 1. And 2 times 3 is 6. The answer is negative 1/6. I hope you got it. Thank you.